Hi there, this is Carolyn Pitts with Intend Well. Thank you for joining me. This video is for whenever you are feeling really stirred up inside, like you're just about to burst. You have excess energy, and I'm going to show you how to use your breath to release some of that excess energy so you can bring yourself back into balance. What we're going to be doing today is called the breath of joy. It's from yoga. Maybe you're familiar with it. We're going to be doing 3 small inhales and then a big exhale blowout through the mouth. So it looks like this: 3 inhales through the nose and a big exhale through the mouth. And while we're doing that, we're going to be moving our arms and our whole body and just help us get some of that excess energy out of our system. So, safety first, make sure that you've got plenty of space around you. You want to stand so that you have a very nice firm foundation with your feet spread about hip width distance apart and your knees a little soft. Don't lock your legs. If at any point you start to feel lightheaded, stop immediately and sit down. All right, I'm going to show you with the arm movements one time and then we'll do it together. So the 3 inhales, we're going to bring our arms forward on the first one, out to the side on the second one, over our heads on the third one, and then with the blowout exhale through your mouth, you're just going to drop down and let it out. You don't have to go real low, however you want to go, just blowing that air out. All right, so let me show you one more time with the breath, and then we'll do it together a few times. So it's going to look like this. All right, are you ready? Feet firmly planted, nice foundation, knees soft, plenty of space around you. I'm going to count down from 3, and we get to 1, we're going to start. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Two more. Last one. Stay down. Just let yourself relax for a minute. Put your hands on your thighs just above your knees and use them to brace yourself as you slowly come back up to standing. How does that feel? Hope if you were feeling all stirred up inside, some of that excess energy has been released. If you need to do it again, rewind the video and do it one more time. Thank you for joining me. Have a beautiful day. Bye.